Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? So, I had all of these in one of my scrap videos. I showed that I had a bunch of these left over from a lap quilt that I'd made, and I am going to use them to make probably one, possibly two table runners or something to go on top of a table, maybe to set candles or a flower arrangement on during the holiday season. And I think I am going to be sewing this one and this one together, these together, and then kind of keep it going on. Um, let's see how it goes. So here it is on the design wall right now with those sewn together. I need to make probably another two of these to hook together to be long enough just to go on top of a table or a nice long coffee table or something like that. So hold on. So now I have the other two made. I need to attach it right here, but they're made, and that's what it currently looks like. It'll be nice, I think. I'll be back. So the update on this table runner now is it's all together in one piece. I am waiting for some red fabric that I hope is going to be close to this color to use as the background. It's going to be kind of a grungy, so that if she doesn't want poinsettias or anything year round, she could just flip it over and have a red table runner, because I know the dining room is red and white. Anyway, so that's the status of this, and it's going in limbo until I find the fabric. Hopefully what I'm getting is going to work. If not, I'll have 2 yards going into the fabric stash. Whoops. It might just be going into the fabric stash anyway. Talk to you later. Bye.